fantasy. Are you coming with me? Feed my fantasy.
She killing it, look up and that's why I do not see ceiling it. Most of they rapping, they spit like a cinnamon. I'm with the bitch, way deep in Dominican. Talking the cash, but it's not legitimate. Doing the dash, I feel the adrenaline. I might check all that, all of my fantasy. Bitch, I'm all in like a motherfucking fantasy. 5G burger, got me in the Hennessy. Way like it way too for day, we fantasy. Cyber my life with the lights in the studio. I get a bag and boy with a groupio. Running the pack, then I'm feeling like a Julio. Bitch, I know why with this shit, she's an embryo. Yeah. Like she hit the dick like a motherfucking lollipop. I just that little bitty bitch with the candy shop. Punching that dick like a motherfucking bucky stick. Go ahead and gun like I brought my own hockey stick. I make a gun and I stand on top of it. That's your bitch and I let her on top of it. I'm in the top like an eagle on top of it. Out of that word and I wanted the providence. Like an effort but I'm into the dominance. All these bitches looking giving me confidence. Don't feel like I should expect you to come and I take a trip to a whole different continent. I said my hero and got on the conversation. You need something to buckle up. Racking a bed, bitch, I'm importing it. You took a lie, but you just aborting it. Drip on my neck with a Burberry cardigan. They ran away, the video we started it. I may fucked up if you think you were part of it. Turn up the bass, I'm finna bombard the bitch. Yeah.
Funny